In the last video, I have shown you that how can you install Tomcat with your Eclipse IDE. Now create a simple servlet. We will get the user and the phone number and we will print into our servlet. So first of all, I have created the Maya project. If you don't know how to create this project, so don't worry, I will show you from scratch. So click on File, click on New and click on this Dynamic Web Project. Now provide your project name. So I providing this name as app2. Click on next, click on next and click on this generate web.xml deployment descriptor and click on the finish button. So within couple of seconds it will create a dynamic web project for us. So as you can see, app2 project got open in our system, but in the src main directory there have not any types of thing. So what we need to do, first of all, we need to create a simple form for us. So for that, I will type HTML sample form w3. So I will copy a boiler code of HTML from w3 school. So I will click on the code and from here I will select the code and I will create on the project whatever you name. Click on new, click on this HTML file and nickname this file as index.html. Click on next, click on finish and it will generate a boiler code for you. Okay, so wait for few seconds to complete this. Now remove the previous code and paste the new code. Now one question happened to you, how can we increase the font of this project? Okay, so I will show you how can you do that. So click on window, click on preferences and from here type here font. Click on this color and fonts option and from here you will find this basic folder. Click on it and click on this text font. From here the value selected as 13, you can increase more. I will select 15. Click on apply. As you can see, font got open and click on apply and close. Now first of all, I will check the project what it shows. I will create this as simple Java servlet app. Okay, so save the file, click on the project and click on run as and run on server. Now select the Tomcat server, select next and select on finish. So it will open the project into our default web browser and currently I have Firefox web browser, so it will open in the Firefox web browser. So let's see what happened. Sometime your program may be crash. Okay, so don't worry about this. So wait for few seconds. Okay, something may be happen. Again click on run and run as server, select the Tomcat 9, next and finish button. Something may happen. First stop the server by clicking on this red button. Click on project, click on run as, run on server, select the Tomcat server, next and finish. Let's see. As you can see, execution got started and it will open up into our web browser. So as you can see, the project got open into our local server. Now for changing this thing, first of all, we will remove the default value. Okay, we will remove the default value and here it asking for me for first name and the last name. Okay, so I will say that you need to open your full name. Okay, so you need to enter your full name and the ID will say you phone. So I will copy this thing and I will change the name here. So I will change the name here. Okay, so I will change the name, click on save and stop the server. Right click on your project, click on run as, click on run on server, select the Tomcat server, select next, select finish and let's see what changes happen into our project. So as you can see, simple Java app, full name phone. Now if I enter any types of data here, sorry, click on submit, it shows the HTTP error. Now how to solve this error, let's see. So for that we need to create a servlet for this. So I will create this servlet as register servlet, and the method will be post. Okay, see, click on save. Now you need to create a class for this. So first of all, click on the project, click on new and click on class. And now it asking me for the class name. So my class name is register user. Okay, now it asking me for a package. So the package will, in my case, let's say com.microcodes. You can take it as any name, but the preferable name is com.your domain name and then other thing. Now click on finish. So it will create a boiler class for us. So let's see what happened. So yeah, it create a boiler class for us. Now you need to extends extends http servlet, http servlet. Okay, it shows some error. Let's see what are the error. It asking me for import, so I just import this class. Now I will create a do post class for this. Okay, and from here I need to type http servlet request req and http servlet response res throws servlet exception and IO exception. Now it shows some error. Let's see what are the errors. Now if I hover up, it shows to import the class, so I just import. It again asking me for import, so I just import the class. It shows to import the class, I import the class, and it shows again to import the class, so I just import the class. So if I save the file, I think class not imported. Okay, so click on import. Now if I save the file, as you can see, error got out. Now from here, you know that the data coming from this text field, which is f name and u4. So I will type here req dot get get attributes, not get parameters, and the parameter name is which is f name. Okay, and the second parameter name which is u4. So I type here u4. Why I take f name and u4? Because there are two input field which is named as uname and uphone. Okay, that's why I take this. Now first of all, I need to take a string to get the f name, and for the phone purpose I will take a long data type and I will type it phone, and along with I need to upcasting this. So for that, how can we do? So what we'll done, we convert the phone number to long data type, because you know the phone number digit is near about 10 digit, which is capable for long data type into Java. So what we will do, we will print the file which is print ln, and I will type here that person name is sorry person name is, and it will user and will create for the phone number also. So I will copy the code and I paste the code and I type here phone. Okay, and person phone is this. Now the next step is to declare the web.xml as deployment descriptor. So click on source and you need to delete this boiler code. Now type here servlet. Now type here servlet name. So the servlet name is, in my case, this is servlet 1, and you need to type servlet class. So what is the class of this servlet? First of all, you need to copy the package. So I will copy the package, paste the name, and I also need the class name, which is registered user. So I just copy the name and paste the name by dot. Now you need another tag, which is servlet mapping. So type servlet mapping, and you need to copy the name, which is servlet mapping, and now you need to type URL pattern. So what will be the URL pattern? In the index.html file, as you can see, the request goes to register servlet. So I will copy the code, and in the web.xml backslash I will paste the code. So let's see if all the thing will okay. So the project will not shows me any types of error. So I will open the window, and first of all I will stop the server what it's already running. Okay, so I will stop the server, I will close the browser. Now in the project, right click and click on run as, run on server, select the Tomcat server, select net, select finish, and see what the thing got happen. So the project will open into our Firefox browser. Yeah, now it asking me for full name. So my full name is Simanto Das. Phone number is 9330497982. You can call me if you want, and click on submit. So as you can see, form got submitted. But you may asking me, hey, I have entered my name, my phone number, where it goes? I just print this name into the console by using what? In using system.out.println. So as you can see, this output, person name is this and phone number is this. If you want to print the name, so you need to type some another statement. Now you may guys always tell me, hey Shimanto, say me what is the best tutorial to learn servlet and JSP from the YouTube for free. I have the template. So search here learn servlet JSP and hit enter, and we will find English channel and Hindi channel also. So this is learn servlet and JSP tutorial by Tulesco sir. So you can click on this video playlist and you can watch the video of this sir. This is complete video. If you are belonging from India or from any other countries, and if you are comfortable in the English language, so you can follow the tutorial, which is servlet JSP by Tulesco sir. Actually not Tulesco, his name is Praveen Reddy maybe. So you can watch the complete video of this sir. This is more than enough for learn servlet JSP. Okay, and if you are belonging from India, you can watch the Durgesh sir video. This complete playlist about learn Java JSP blah blah blah, all the video is completely in the Hindi form. So if you are belonging from India, you have not any types of problem there. Okay, so I have shown you the complete roadmap to install servlet, JDBC, and each and everything to you. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, please thumbs up on the like button and share my effort. Thank you guys.